Healthcare is embracing new technology, becoming smarter and more connected. These new technologies bring the potential to change the way we think about care and delivering advanced therapy solutions to more patients. BIOTRONIK's home monitoring system is a leap forward in care for patients with cardiac implants, allowing for remote diagnosis without sacrificing quality of care.
So home monitoring's really changed the way we can follow up our patients after they've had their pacemaker or ICD. Patients can, instead of having to come up to the clinic to see face-to-face and have all the journey times and the booking of appointments, waiting for the clinic, now the patient's able to have essentially their routine checkups performed at home without them even having to sort of engage with that. It's done automatically.
Previously, all cardiac device patients will have been followed up in clinic using a programmer. Now, all patients are given a home monitoring device to plug in at home. This allows us to view their data remotely using the remote monitoring website.
Home monitoring itself, with the implant of the device, our patient is given a small cardiac messenger device which they go home with, and the device will speak with their implanted device every evening and send the data through to us. That allows us to offer immediate reaction to anything that should pop up, and allows us just to do standard follow-ups as we normally would without having to call the patient in every single day.
BIOTRONIK's home monitoring system is designed around patients, requiring a minimum of interaction from patients while delivering high-quality diagnostic information to the doctor. Data is transmitted automatically every day, which gives peace of mind to the patient and an up-to-the-minute picture of cardiac function to the clinician.
It's very convenient for everyone. It allows us to move our technicians around. So if someone's ill or off sick or we have an emergency, we can say to someone, don't do your home monitoring now, have a look at the patients a bit later in the morning, which gives us flexibility. We're in a very rural location, so patients don't need to come up and see us. And for patients who are elderly or who have driving restrictions, because many patients who have devices have driving restrictions, they don't have to physically come to the hospital and pay the car parking charges. And it just makes life much easier for everyone, I think. The other advantage for many patients is they like the security of having the remote monitoring. They know that someone is keeping an eye on them. They know if they have an issue that someone's going to pick that up and deal with it straight away. They're not going to have to wait, or nothing's going to get missed.
Home monitoring represents a paradigm shift in cardiac care. BIOTRONIK home monitoring allows physicians to make routine checks quickly and effectively, streamlining time and workflow so clinicians can prioritise and respond to those in urgent need. Clinical trials have demonstrated that BIOTRONIK home monitoring had a positive outcome on patient mortality, as well as reducing stroke and related hospitalisation. In comparison to BIOTRONIK home monitoring, remote monitoring systems available from other manufacturers have not demonstrated a reduction in mortality.